Hey guys, Dan with First Place Auto Parts. Thanks for joining me in the studio today. You know, if you're fortunate enough to own a classic American muscle car or truck, you also realize that a lot of times those brakes that came on those vehicles leave a lot to be desired. Maybe you want to upgrade the performance, or maybe you have a brake system that just leaks and needs to be replaced. First Place Auto Parts, guys, we have exactly what you need. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at a kit that's called At the Wheels, and it's a fairly economical kit that allows you to either upgrade your front drum brakes to disc brakes or just completely replace all the components on your disc brake vehicle to upgrade the performance and also the looks. We're going to take a look at some of the options that are available for you so you can custom mix and match your kit to get exactly what you want. So guys, stay tuned, and today we're talking about At the Wheel front disc brake conversion and upgrade kits. Hey guys, if you like today's video, please consider subscribing to the First Place Auto Parts YouTube channel. We're going to continually be adding new videos every week. I'm pretty sure you're going to want to see. When it comes to braking, if you can't stop, you shouldn't go. And the reality is the disc brakes or the drum brakes on the front of a lot of these classic cars are over 40 or 50 years old. They either need to be replaced or upgraded. And this At the Wheel kit includes every component that you need to do just that. And two of the things that I love about this At the Wheel kit, well actually there's three. The first one is that this thing will fit on vehicles with 14-inch or larger wheels that came originally with disc brakes, meaning you don't have to run right out and buy new wheels if you've got 14-inch wheels on your car and your car originally had front disc brakes on it. The second thing is that all these components are brand new and they're matched to work together. And the third thing is that there's some options that you can do to mix and match to upgrade the kit to increase not only the performance but also the looks of the actual kit itself when it's on your car. Included with each At the Wheel kit offered by First Place Auto Parts is a new set of rotors, the Timken wheel bearings including dust caps, castle nuts, and new cotter pins, and large single piston calipers that include new pins and new brake pads. You also get with the kit the new flex lines and also the caliper mounting bracket, which is CAD plated so it won't corrode, and you get a new pair of spindles. And finally, wrapping this thing up is it includes a new dust shield. Look, a lot of times these things are bent or they're corroded beyond use. Look, when you put all these components on and they're color matched, it's going to look really sharp behind that wheel. The other thing is all these components are matched to fit together and work together as well. So when you bolt these things on, literally the only thing you have to do is to grease the wheel bearings, bolt it all together, bleed it, and then hit the road. Now, when it comes to options with this kit, you actually have quite a few of them. The standard kit comes with solid, not drilled and slotted rotors, but solid rotors. It comes with rubber flex lines, stock height spindles, and also an as-cast caliper. Now, some of your options include you can get drilled and slotted rotors like the one that I have here. You can get braided steel lines, and look guys, if there's one upgrade that I really like about any brake kit, it's these braided stainless steel flex lines. They really give you so much more brake feel than the rubber lines. The rubber lines work well. Braided lines, they're better. Another option you have is a 2-inch drop spindle with your kit. And then finally, when it comes to the calipers, you have choices in colors as well. You can either get red or black powder coated calipers instead of just the as-cast caliper. So you've got a lot of different options. Whether you're going to put this thing behind a steel wheel and never see it, you don't need some of the things like maybe a drilled and slotted rotor or powder coated calipers, but maybe you've got a set of Krieger SS's or torque thrust wheels, or you've even gone to a 20-inch wheel where the brake system itself is very visible. You're absolutely going to want to consider some of these upgrades. And the neat thing about these upgrades is they're very affordable. So you get into a very solid kit, a very good performing kit for a basic bare minimum of money when we're talking about all these components. At First Place Auto Parts, guys, we're enthusiasts just like you. We have cars that we're wrenching on as well. And one of the things that we understand is how many options you have and how confusing it can be when it comes time to getting brakes. And that's why we offer this At the Wheel kit. Look, it eliminates all the questions and has all the quality components you need that are matched to make your installation not only effective but also easy. Go to our always open, easy to use First Place Auto Parts website, type in your year, make, and model of your vehicle, and literally you will see every available kit and all the options available for them. Look, there's a lot of things you can do. This thing increases not only the performance of your vehicle but also the safety. So go to the First Place Auto Parts website and see what's available for your project and get it back on the road. Guys, I I hope this video was informative for you when it comes time to buying your brakes. Look, you don't have to spend a lot of money to increase the braking performance of your classic American muscle car or truck. It's not only about performance, it's about safety. Go to the First Place Auto Parts website. You will find literally every kind of braking component available for your car and truck to get it back on the road and make it safe to drive. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video, and until next time, keep the hammer down, keep it between the guardrails.